What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
what's poppin'. We're talking October releases.
Yes, sir.
That's right. We're a little bit in October right now, but it's a lot of drops happening. So before we get into what's coming down the pike, Nigel, what should they do if it's their first time here?
y'all need to get into that notification bell. Get that joint ringing. So once you got that ringing, we can get into these shoes. Let's go.
That's right. Stay up on our content.
Yeah.
And with that said, we'll just jump right into it.
Let's go.
First drop we'll talk about real quick is the Air Jordan 3 SE RKO Brown.
Okay.
Now, from what I've seen and heard, this is like a winterized Air Jordan 3. So it's like made for the weather,
Like
to wear like in the snow, the rain. It's
That's
like,
cool.
More heat, more padding. I guess not the Gore-Tex, but waterproof to a degree.
Would
So
you do that though?
a sneaker you can wear in bad weather.
Would you wear it in the bad weather?
Air Jordan 3, probably not.
I wouldn't either.
Nah, I mean they did those Gore-Tex ones last year. I would rock those.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the ones that were like Gore-Tex all around though.
Yeah. But these, I'm not sure if they're going to be that protected. And overall, like as much as I love an Air Jordan 3, I love like the patchwork 3s I have because they're different
I'll
material.
say it for you.
What?
It does not look good.
No, it does
It
not.
does not.
It's kind of reminded me of like Neapolitan ice cream.
Yeah.
But not in the greatest way. Like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry.
It's just they just dropped some colors there for you. I don't know.
I don't know with like the black around the mudguard and what they did here.
The purple, the brown,
Yeah.
that pink, that like
It's
really.
I think that
odd
color's
shade
throwing
of
me
pink.
off. It's like tannish pink.
Yeah, it's just like lame pink,
Yeah.
lame shade. I don't know what it's called, but yeah.
So not a huge fan of those.
Yeah.
I'm sure these will be sitting though. These aren't a highly sought after pair.
So if you're feeling it,
If you're
you
feeling
probably
it,
got good luck.
you can go ahead and just probably cop on the easy tip. All right, next we got October 14th, the 218 Air Jordan 2 Low. Now, again, Air Jordan 2s, they're giving us more and more 2s.
They are.
What's your initial thoughts on this one?
I'm gonna let you go ahead. Talk about the shoe.
It's a brown shoe.
Yeah.
218, I know, 218, they're out of Detroit. So it's I know it's a boutique there. I'm not 100% sure of their
I just watched
background.
Barbarian.
Yeah, well, they were in Detroit.
Detroit.
I guess that's the 218. But
That's the code?
I think
That's hard.
the area code.
That's tough.
But this is a collab that they did for the Air Jordan 2 Low. It's like a casual looking shoe. It's like a lot of brown, something you can wear, like khakis, you can wear to work. I don't know. I know some guys out in that area. They definitely love 218 as a company, as a group, and they really pump for this shoe.
They are.
But I don't know a whole lot about it. I think it'll sell. Will it sell out? Doubt it. I think this will be a sit for a lot of people. What you thinking about it, man?
I've done a lot of thinking while looking at this shoe.
Yeah.
Here's my thoughts.
Yep.
Original thought, I wasn't feeling it. I didn't think it looked good. I don't really like a brown shoe, like an all brown shoe. That's not really my thing. But now that I'm looking at it more, I realize I'm looking at it in like the wrong perspective. So I think if you're like somebody that wears that goes for like a retro-ish, like a retro, that like tennis player, golfer type look. I think that
like a real casual, like preppy, but preppy kind of.
I think that's for them.
I got you. Some khakis, some chinos,
some khakis,
polo shirt, but it's clean, right, crisp,
right.
And these will dress that up nice.
As for me, I'm gonna go with the no for these.
No for you.
Yeah,
got it. We'll see.
Nice.
October 14th, $200. We'll see how those roll. Next up, we got the women's Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purple.
Okay.
And that one is dropping on October 15th at $200.
All right.
That Canyon Purple. We actually reviewed this. We got an early pair from across the water. Check that out in the review if you can.
Yeah.
Get our thoughts on that.
I wasn't really feeling it too much. I like the kind of hulkish look it had with the purple and green.
Yeah.
But the green kind of is like, the shade is throwing me off. It's kind of like a too dark. I don't know, it's like a foresty green.
Right, not Hulk green.
Yeah, it's not that. And then the orange in it too. I'm not really feeling that on a Jordan logo. But I think it's a cool shoe overall.
I like this shoe, man. I really dig it.
You really dig it.
The suede, the
fault.
hairy suede on it. I mean, because it's so different. I like it. But, what do y'all think about it, though? Y'all going for these? I know they're coming in extended sizes for men, but it is a women's release. So we'll see if the women go for it or, what's going to happen. I know they released already in Europe and I think Canada.
Why are they getting all the early releases?
It's just the way the cycle works, man, how they release stuff. I don't know.
Maybe in the wrong time zone.
Basically. Next up, we got the Air Jordan 9 boot NRG Black Gum. Yeah, Air Jordan 9s for me have never been my jam.
Nah.
What about you?
This was kind of crazy though.
Yeah, I mean, I think this is a boot. Like if you're like a police officer, you work in that kind of, I don't know, like some tactical type of job.
Yeah.
Maybe your comfort.
It's real spiky at the bottom.
Yeah, it does have some spikes. Or is this like a snow boot? I'm not sure.
I think it
work
feels
boot
like
or snow boot? Work or snow boot?
I don't know.
I don't know. Y'all like Air Jordan 9s like that? Then, you know, the Black Gum's coming October 19th for $225. Man, Jordan Brand just hit this over the head for these shoes. Whew. All right,
it's
next
inflation.
up, inflation, but it's also recession and demand is lowered some. So
I don't know what's going on.
Maybe they should lower the prices a little bit.
That's what I would think.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's how supply, demand, all
I
that.
learned that in 7th grade.
Exactly.
I'm supposed to be, I don't know.
You up and coming.
Wait, let me think of what I was about to say. Next, on October 20th, we got the Air Jordan 7 SE Afrobeats.
Afrobeats.
The Afrobeats 7. Now, I don't know why it's called the Afrobeats, but I'm going to tell y'all why right now. So look, now it's actually called the Afrobeats because if you look at it, now you don't have to look at it closely even, it's kind of obvious. It's got like a tribal print all around the sneaker. So
It does.
that is tough. It's got the tribal print, the brown, it's got the black, it's got all your colors on it. Oh, and on the sole, it has yellow, purple, and red. Now, how are those colors important to Afrobeats?
It's just, they're just giving it like an African
Those are some,
inspired vibe, like just
I feel you.
African print, African, you know, those types of things. And it's called the Afro Beats. Like I feel like I'd be wrong if I don't get this shoe.
Facts. It's tough too. I can't even lie. It's a hard shoe. So
the black sole.
yeah, it seems like something like you would wear with like some shorts.
Summertime.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, I'm a fan of 7s. They got the Hirachi inspired, like the tongue and the way that inner sock liner is. It's a real comfortable shoe.
Looks like it.
I haven't bought a 7 in a long time though, but it's got
Is there any
Nike Air
shoe
on the
you haven't
back.
had in the past. Like
Never?
like a silhouette.
I've never had an 8 or 9 or a 10. I've never had 8 through 10.
You've had all the rest though.
I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I've had 11, 12, and 13. I don't buy any Jordans above 13. 13 and above 13 doesn't exist to me.
I agree.
Because I'm old school.
Nah, I agree though. All the new Jordans are not. Nah, so
Nah, I can't.
not so.
But hey, if you like it, I love
It's
it.
your thing.
Right.
I don't
Everything's
love
not
it,
for
but he
everybody.
does.
There you go. Totally went off on a tangent. So that's the Afro Beats, man. You know, we'll see. October 20th. If that drops on time, we'll see if that happens.
Oh, and for the women, y'all got another variation of the Panda Dunk.
No.
You got the woman's Air Jordan 1 mid homage.
This
That's
is
how
a
you
mid.
say that name. That's how you say it,
Homage,
right?
yeah.
Homage. I was about to say homage, but I knew.
Homage.
I knew better.
That's right.
You got the homage. Okay. And this is actually not a variation of the Pandas because I was only looking at one side.
Ah,
Now you're probably thinking, Nigel, what do you mean you're only looking at one side?
right.
If you look at it, the two halves of the shoe are split in color, like
Yeah.
mirror. What's it called?
They reverse.
They're reversed, right? That's actually tough. So
Yeah.
you got the black, like on one side you got the black toe box, on the other side you got the white toe box. That's actually tough.
They flip the colors.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just not a huge fan of my shoe though, split in half with the colors reversed. Maybe if it was like they do the whatcha, like one shoe is one way and then the other shoe is the other way, but split right down the middle. I'm just thinking like looking straight down at my shoe is weird to see like where it's cut like that.
Yeah.
But I mean, some people love
feel you.
that homage style that they've been doing. But this is one that a lot of people are hyped
Okay.
for. This another women's release, man. And women getting some heat this month.
Y'all are.
The Air Jordan 1 High Women's Starfish. So this shoe, you know, Starfish, they did the Starfish Jordan lows, and they were like an orange color. This is a lighter, I don't know, the orange on this is kind of muted a little bit, but it's like orange, brown, and white. To me, it's giving me like Cleveland Browns colors.
What?
Yeah, the orange and brown, that's the Cleveland Browns colors. But that aside, I know the inspiration for the shoe is supposedly like the Hermes Birkin bag is the design inspiration behind that shoe.
Okay.
That's why it's a woman's shoe. There's like a lot of detail in this shoe that relates to the bag, but
Is the Birkin is the Birkin bag from Hermes?
yeah.
I thought Birkin was just like a type of bag.
No, it's a specific bag. And it's like, I don't know.
I've never
10
bought a woman a Birkin bag, so I didn't know.
Yeah, you won't.
I was like, why you know that? Why you hate it? Yo, do not listen to what he just said. If you're a woman and you're watching this, I might buy you a Birkin bag one day. You never know.
Maybe for your mom, but a Birkin bag is like 10 grand or better.
That's
You're not
pocket
dropping
change. That's
10 grand
pocket
on the
change for
ladies.
me. traveling. Chill.
Hey, this is lessons you'll learn as you get older. Dad had to teach you. No. But anyway, the Starfish. I know a lot of dudes are after this shoe as well.
They actually are tough.
As the women. So we'll see. I know they're coming in extended sizes, and that's October 27th, end of the month for $170. So we'll see what happens with that.
Okay.
Then another banger before the close out of the month is October 29th, the Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navy.
I like it.
Yeah, so this is like the original cement 4s, the white cement, but they flipped the black and made it navy blue. So imagine that black, right? I mean, it's a cement.
This is not that, but
no.
Imagine the gray just being some. Oh, yeah. This is actually a whole different thing. Never mind. Okay, but
it's okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, the cement.
I'll see a picture of it anyway, so it doesn't even matter.
The cements, yeah, exactly. The Midnight Navy.
Yeah, they're hard though.
They are. But I mean, I don't have a pair of regular cements right now. I would take my regular cements over the Midnight Navy. So I don't have those. So maybe these will be on the list at the end of the month. We'll see. Are y'all chasing after these Midnight Navies? Or are they kind of like, what you think about them?
I'm trying to clock what you just said.
If I had a pair of regular cement 4s, white cement 4s, I would not be interested in these Midnight Navies at all. Because they're so close. They're super similar.
But then you were like...
But I don't have those.
Okay.
So then these are more appealing. Get me?
Yeah, facts.
That's all.
Okay.
That's it.
I low-key would rather have the cement 4s though.
Yeah, with the black instead of the blue. Agreed.
But that's cool though.
Yeah. End of the month, 210. You know, we'll see. Wonder how these will do, as far as sellout goes.
If you could put
they will
fit together with that, what would you do?
This?
I'm trying to imagine the outfit with that.
Oh, yeah, I mean, any gray, blue. I mean, that's
blue,
like easy colors. I mean, all day
that's
long.
Like a blue jean, white polo. Something simple. That's really the simplest fit you can make in it.
A gray hoodie and blue jeans. Boom. Throw those on.
Simplicity.
There you go. Jinx. All right, so that's it for the Jordan releases for the month of October.
But we got more coming right now. What we getting into, Dad?
Well, normally we would get into the Yeezy releases.
Psych.
But I'm taking a hard stand right now on my man Kanye, and with all the drama and everything going on, I'm not even talking about Yeezy releases right now. I don't know if y'all are taking kind of Yeezy off of your cop list. It's off mine. Until I got a better understanding or there's something is made right, I'm not touching Yeezy right now. So that's where I am. Hope y'all with me. Or do your thing. If you're not, that's fine. Purchase whatever. There's no judgment. But that's where I am. So, yeah, Nigel. We're not covering any Yeezys for the month of October. We're going to keep it moving.
Exactly.
On to Nike and more. New Balance. A lot of other things coming down the pipe. Let me know what y'all after this month copping. Hit me on Instagram, TikTok. What's the other one? Twitter, @RealDaddyC. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.